Hey, y'all, hey. So come with me and my family as we go on our beach day vacay. We just needed a day out of the house, something away from the shop. I forgot my AirPods, so I had to run to the shop before we got on the road. And we were going to Rehoboth Beach. Yes, we live in Wilmington, so it was about like a 2-hour and 14-minute drive. Hella traffic, yo. We started out walking in the wrong direction. I was hot as shit. No way I walked 10 minutes in the wrong direction. We had to stop at Rita's before we got to the beach because I needed a refresher. No fucking way. Paris got a boogie board. Y'all, why 30 minutes into being on the beach, the boogie board broke and the receipt had the audacity to say, no returns allowed. I was going to get Lyric a hermit crab, but we ended up staying on the beach for longer than expected. I rented a umbrella and a beach chair. The kids had an amazing time. Lyric loves the sand. I ended up running into my family while we were down there, which was clutch. So I didn't have to take the kids with me to go get some food. We got some Gino's Pizza. Gino's Pizza is amazing, y'all, going down. But when I say that it tastes like welfare cheese, I ain't joking. I got a sandwich. I wasn't trying to be in the bathroom. But yes, Lyric said she was going to bury my toes. She kept saying, stop moving your feet. You see her? Today was so refreshing. It was hot as hell, but whatever. Lyric was building a little moat and a bee got stuck in there, as y'all could see. The kids were everywhere. And we just, and overall, it was just amazing. Like the fact that we ran into my cousins and Paris got to play with one of my cousin's son, of course, his cousin. It made it so much easier so that I didn't have to entertain both kids at the same damn time. Because if you are a mom of multiple, then you understand exactly what I mean. If they are different ages, it's hard trying to cut yourself in half and entertain both at the same damn time. But yes, it was amazing. The waves were harsh. Paris was having a good time. Look at him. He's telling me a whole story about how he was out there touching the balls that's like out. Look at him. No way. He's so dramatic. The man right there with the black and orange shirts, he thought Paris was hilarious. No way. No way he's out there embarrassing me. Look at him. And Lyric hyping him up. Hype man. Yes. If y'all have not taken your kids to the beach this summer, or you just don't really have the funds, the beach is the place to be, y'all. I spent under $100 on this full day. And this was with me buying pizza, buying water ice, the boogie board. Look at the seagulls. At this very moment, I knew that somebody had fucked up. They left their fries out. Go take them kids to the beach. I have taken Paris to the beach when I, didn't really have that much income. I think I had $50 to my name. My last $50, I took my son to the beach. Y'all, why would I ever stay at the beach until 7 p.m.? And it was pouring out raining when we left. But yes, here are some pictures. A day in the life with my little family. Let me know how you guys like it. Did y'all like my intro? I made it myself. Comment below if you guys have been to the beach, which beach you guys have visited. And make sure you subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.